How to play CarX Street on PC or laptop. So if you want to play CarX Street on PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, now to play a game, first you need to have an emulator, right? So you just need to simply go with search and you need to search for GameLoop. Once you've searched for GameLoop, now you can just simply go with the website, which is www.gameloop.com, and here on the top right you will have the download option. You can just simply go with download. Once you've downloaded the GameLoop, you can open up the application, but make sure to install the application because without installing you won't be able to download your CarX Street. So make sure to download this GameLoop. After downloading, you can open up your GameLoop and then you can go with search, and from the search you can search for CarX Street. After searching for CarX Street, here you will have the CarX Street application, as you can see right here. So you can go with download and it will start the downloading process. But in order to download the CarX Street, you need to download GameLoop. So just simply go with download and it will start the downloading or the installation process. After that, you'll be able to play the game. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.